Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to start chapter number 10, that is about light. Students, you know that sun is the biggest source of heat and light. Light is a form of energy and light travels in the form of electromagnetic radiations. When we say the word light, it means the visible part of the light that human eye can detect. We are able to see things with the help of light. When an object reflects the light that falls on it and it enters in our eye, then we are able to see it. For example, when we enter in a dark classroom, we are not able to see the chairs, desks and other things that are present in the room, but as soon as we switch on the light, we are able to see all these things because light falls on them, and the light that they reflect into our eyes make them visible to us. Next, we have to know about the luminous and non-luminous objects. The objects that can produce their own light, that have their own light, that give their own light, they are known as luminous objects. Stars are the luminous objects. Candles, fireflies, all these are luminous objects. And they emit light as a result of the chemical reactions that are taking place in them. We know that on the surface of Earth, fusion reactions are taking place, as a result of which heat, light and sound is also produced. Sound cannot reach on the Earth because there is a vacuum between the Earth and the Sun, and sound cannot travel through vacuum. That's why sound does not reach on the surface of the Earth. Heat and light are able to reach on the surface of the Earth. Fluorescent tubes and TV screens also give out light when fast-moving electrons strikes them. Non-luminous objects are the objects that do not emit light. We see them when they reflect the light that is coming from the luminous source into our eyes. Planets and moon are non-luminous objects. Our next topic is light rays and shadows. Light travels in straight line and it travels with a very high speed. Its speed is 300,000 km per second in air. However, in different things, light travels with different speed. Its speed in glass, air and water is different. We can represent light with straight lines by using ruler because light travels in a straight line. Light travels almost 1 million times faster than sound. That's why we are able to see the flash of lightning first, and then we hear the thunder that it causes. Next, we have to differentiate between transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Transparent objects are the objects that allow the light to pass through them, such as glass, water, air, a straight sheet. All these things are transparent, light can pass through them easily. Opaque materials are the materials that absorb the lights, they do not allow the light to pass through them. That's why when an opaque object is placed in the beam of light, that shadow is formed. The examples of opaque object is metals, wood. Next is translucent material. The translucent material allows some light to pass through them and not all the light to pass through them. Their example is greaseproof paper, frosted glass, tracing paper and so many other things. Colored plastic, they are translucent. Next, we have to do the test yourself. Question number 1. How fast does light travel? Its answer will start from this line. The light travels in straight line and at very high speed, almost 300,000 km per second in air. You have to add this line also. Light travels 1 million times faster than sound, because the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second. Number 2. Why can we represent light rays using a ruler? Its answer will start from this line. Light rays can be represented on diagram by straight lines by using rulers because light travels in a straight line. Question number 3. Explain the difference between a transparent and a translucent material. For transparent, you have to start from this line. Rays of light pass or transmitted through transparent materials such as glass, glass and water, air. And for translucent, you have to start from this line. There are other materials up to this. Question number 4. Which of the following materials are transparent, translucent and opaque? Which are the materials are acetate paper, greaseproof paper, frosted glass, metal, glass, wood. Among these materials, glass and acetate sheet, these are transparent. Greaseproof paper and frosted glass are translucent. Metal and wood are opaque. Thank you, beta.